Hello, today we will learn about the concepts of resistors. We have already learned about the classification of resistors, introduction to resistors, specification of resistors, importance of specifications of resistors, as well as necessity of preferred values in resistors. Okay, today we will learn about the objectives, that is topics regarding today's lecture is features of carbon film resistors, metal film resistors, metal oxide resistors and precision resistors. Okay, applications of above four types of resistors as well as identification of resistance value by which using color code 4 band and 5 band common faults in resistors. These are the topics which we learned today in our class. Okay, first of all, we will learn about the features of carbon film resistors. These carbon film resistors are made by depositing a very thin film of carbon in a ceramic or glass substrate. These carbon film resistors are made by depositing a very thin film of carbon on a ceramic or glass substrate. These are of two types. First one, thin film resistors as well as thick film resistors. Thin film resistors are of less than 5 micrometer thin. Thick film resistors are greater than 5 micrometer thick. Next to this, advantages of carbon film resistors. These are available from very small, that is less than 1 ohm, to very large, many mega ohms. These carbon film resistors are from very small, less than 1 ohm, to very large, many mega ohms. They are very small in size. They offer good high frequency performance. They are cheap in market. Okay, these are the main advantages of carbon film resistors. Once again, I am repeating the carbon film resistors advantages. First one and easier one, that is they are very cheap in market and they offers good high frequency performance. They are very small in size. They are available from very small, that is less than 1 ohm, to very large, many mega ohms. Disadvantages of carbon film resistors. It cannot withstand high temperature. These carbon film resistors cannot withstand high temperature ranges. They also cannot withstand to mechanical shocks. They are sensitive to moisture, chemically reactive, hence unstable. Okay, these are the disadvantages of carbon film resistors. Once again, I am repeating. Okay, it cannot withstand high temperatures. It cannot withstand for mechanical shocks. It's sensitive to moisture. They are chemically reactive. Hence, they are unstable. These are the few disadvantages of carbon film resistors. Next, features of metal film resistors. In these resistors, instead of carbon, a thin layer of film of metal oxide or metal alloy is coated on a glass or ceramic substrate is available. Once again, in these resistors, instead of carbon, a thin layer of film or metal oxide or metal alloy is coated on a glass or ceramic substrate is used. Mostly the specifications of metal film resistors are resistance ranges from 0.5 ohm to 10 kilo ohms. Tolerance is plus or minus 2% to plus or minus 3%. power rating is 5 watts, working voltage is 300 volts. Okay, specifications of metal film resistors are as follows. First one, working voltage is 300 volts, power rating is 5 watts, tolerance is plus or minus 2% to plus or minus 3%, resistance ranges from 0.5 ohms to 10 kilo ohms. Next, commonly used materials for making film are: first one, nickel chromium film metal alloy. First of all, we must know the what is meant by alloy. Alloy means composition of different types of materials constitute the alloy. Here we are using nickel and chromium. These two are different materials. We are combining these two materials into one material, so it is nothing but a metal alloy. Nickel chromium film, that is nothing but a metal alloy. Next one is tin oxide film. It is a metal oxide. Next to this, we have the types of film resistors. Depending on the thickness of the film, the metal film resistors are classified into thin and thick film resistors. The thin film resistors are either cylindrical rods or flat surface type. Thick metal film resistors is more than 1 millionth of an inch. Film thickness is more than 1 millionth of an inch. Thin film metal resistor is less than 1 millionth of an inch. Thick films have a greater physical strength. Okay, there are two types of metal film resistors. According to the type, they are thick and thin film resistors. Thick film types are either cylindrical or rod or flat type structures. Thick film resistors thickness is of 1 millionth of an inch, more than 1 millionth of an inch. Metal film resistors, they are thin metal film resistors are less than 1 million of an inch thickness. Thick film have a greater physical strength. Next, features of metal film resistors are over, as well as we learned about the metal oxide resistor features. These resistors consist of oxides of tin and antimony. These resistors are mainly consists of oxides of tin and antimony. These oxides are fused onto a glass or ceramic substrate. These oxides are fused onto a glass or ceramic substrate. This oxide layer varies in thickness about 1 micron thick, which are hard and stable for long time use. Okay, these oxides are fused onto a glass or ceramic substrate. Generally, these metal oxide resistors are fused onto a glass or ceramic substrate. It varies in thickness about 1 micron thick, which are hard and stable for a long time use. Main advantages of metal oxide resistors are they are stable for long time. Specifications: the resistance ranges of metal oxide resistors is 1 kilo ohm to 10 giga ohms. Tolerance is 0.5% to plus or minus 5%. Power rating is 500 milliwatts. Next, working voltage is 350 volts. These are the specifications of metal oxide resistors. Once again I am repeating. Okay, please try to listen through this. Resistance ranges from 1 kilo ohm to 10 giga ohms. Tolerance is plus or minus 0.5% to plus or minus 5%. Power rating is 500 milliwatts. Working voltage is 350 volts. Next to this, we have precision resistors. Where the highest accuracy is required, with good stability, precision type resistors are used. These precision resistors are used where there is high accuracy is required. With good stability and precision type resistors are used. These are the types that are incorporated in high grade multimeters. These type of resistors are mainly used in high grade multimeters for high accuracy. A precision resistor is a resistor that has a very low tolerance value, that is plus or minus 0.1%. A precision resistor is a resistor that has a very low tolerance value, that is plus or minus 0.1%. Good advantages of precision resistor is it has very low tolerance value, that is plus or minus 0.1%. These are wire wound resistors in the range of fraction of ohm to 10 mega ohms with a power rating of the order of 2 watts. These precision type wire wound resistors are available in the range of fraction of ohm to 10 mega ohms with a power rating of the order of 2 watts. Now specifications of precision resistors. Okay, first one is resistance ranges from fraction of ohms to 10 mega ohms. Already we learned in before slide. Power rating is 60 watt, may exceed to 300 watts in special cases. Power rating is ranges from 60 watt to 300 watts in special cases. Tolerance value is plus or minus 0.1%. Operating temperatures is 550 Celsius to 365 degrees Celsius. Sorry, some mistake is in the slide, that is 55 degrees Celsius to 365 degrees Celsius. Temperature coefficient range is 50 to 250 parts per million per degree Celsius. Working voltage, that is DC voltage, is 500 volts. Once again I am repeating the specifications. Resistance ranges from fraction of ohm to 10 mega ohms. Power rating is 60 watt, may exceed 300 watts in special cases. Tolerance is plus or minus 0.1%. Okay, you understood the concept? Operating temperature is 55 degrees Celsius to 365 degrees Celsius. Temperature coefficient range is 50 to 250 parts per million per degree Celsius. ppm means parts per million. Working voltage DC is 500 volts. These are the specifications of precision resistors. Next one is applications. Applications of carbon composition resistors are, these are used in circuits such as low power amplifiers where drift variation in resistance value with temperature, humidity and applied voltage are not of particular importance. Okay, first one is carbon composition resistors. These are used in circuit such as low power amplifiers where drift variation in resistance value with temperature, humidity and applied voltage are not of particular importance. Okay, next, metal film resistors applications. These are used for bridge circuits, filter circuits and low noise analog signal circuits, measuring equipment, etc. Applications of metal film resistors are, first one, they are used for bridge circuits. Next, filter circuits. Next, low noise analog signal circuits. Next, metal measuring equipment, etc. Next, applications of metal oxide resistors. These are used in multimeters, potential divider bias, small signal amplifiers, test and measuring equipments. Okay, first one, metal oxide resistors. These are used in multimeters, potential divider bias, small signal amplifiers, test and measuring equipments. Okay, these are the applications of carbon composition, metal film, metal oxide resistors. Next, applications of precision resistors. These are used in measuring circuits. Next, Wheatstone bridges type applications and multimeters. Precision resistors applications are they are used in measuring circuits, Wheatstone bridge type applications and multimeter type circuits. Next, applications of carbon film resistors. Carbon film resistors are used in good high frequency performance and stability circuits such as computers, high fidelity amplifiers, meters and telephone circuits. Okay, applications of carbon film resistors are computers, high fidelity amplifiers, meters and telephone circuits. These are the applications of precision resistors as well as carbon film resistors. Next, how do we identify the resistance value by using color code for 4 band and 5 band? Already we learned how to calculate or how to verify the resistance value by using the colors. Here we have a brief explanation regarding the identification of resistance value by using color code technique. Resistors are made in different sizes and shapes. Some resistors are large enough in size to have their values imprinted on the body. However, there are some resistors that are too small in size to have numbers printed on them. Therefore, color coding is used. Okay. First of all, resistors are of different sizes and shapes. Some resistors are large enough in size to print their values on them. Another type, there are some resistors that are too small in size to have numbers printed on them. Therefore, for such type of resistors, that small type of resistors, color coding is used to give the or predict the resistance value. Color coding is the process in which colors are used to indicate numerical values. It is a process in which colors are used to indicate numerical values. The use of bands or strips is the most common system or color coding the fixed resistors. The use of bands or strips is the most common system or color coding the fixed resistors. Bands or strips is the most common system or color coding the fixed resistors. Okay, now we learn about the resistance color coding 4-band technique. Case 1, carbon resistors. The color coding of carbon resistors with axial leads is shown in figure below. Start with the band closest to one end or the resistor. The first color is the first digit of the resistance value. Here we are identifying the resistance color coding of 4-band resistor. First of all, in this first color band is the first digit of the resistance value. Next to this, the resistance, the second color band is the second digit of the resistance value. Okay, first two colors are the first digit and the second digit of the resistance value. Here I have given a resistor figure which is having the color coding type. See here, there exist four bands, 1 2 3 4. 1 2 gives the significant figures, that is first digit and the second digit. Now the third band is the number of zeros following the second digit or the multiplier. Here third band is known as multiplier. It corresponds to the number of zeros following the second digit. The fourth band indicates the percent tolerance and is usually gold or silver. Here fourth band indicates the tolerance and is usually gold or silver. The resulting number is the resistance in ohms. By this we can calculate or identify the resistance value of the resistor in 4-band color coding technique. Okay, by seeing the picture I will identify the color coding or resistance value of the resistor. First and second gives the first digit and the second digit of the resistance value. Third is the multiplier, that is how many zeros corresponding to the second one or second digit is given. Next fourth one is the tolerance value of the resistor, might be gold or silver. By computing these values we can identify the resistance value of the resistor. Next, here there is a table which has different colors and different values. Okay, from the table it can be noted that the dark colors indicate the lowest numbers and light colors indicate the highest numbers. Okay, here I have given colors as well as the 4-band techniques codes also. Okay, first color is black. It has first digit 0, second digit 0, multiplier is 1, tolerance is also 0. Brown is 1, first digit is 1, second digit 1, multiplier 10, tolerance is plus or minus 1%. Next color is red, first digit 2, second digit 2, third digit 10 square, tolerance is plus or minus 2%. Next, orange is 3, first digit, second digit 3, tolerance is 10 cube, multiplier is 10 cube, tolerance is 0. Yellow 4, first digit, second digit 4, multiplier 10 power 4, tolerance 0. Green, first digit 5, second digit 5, multiplier 10 power 5, tolerance is 0. Next color is blue, first digit 6, second digit 6, multiplier 10 power 6, tolerance 0. Next violet, first digit 7, second digit 7, multiplier 10 power 7, tolerance 0. Next color is grey, first digit 8, second digit 8, next multiplier 10 power 8, tolerance 0. Next white, first digit 9, second digit 9, multiplier 10 power 9, tolerance 0. Next gold, 0 first digit, second digit 0, multiplier 0.1, tolerance plus or minus 5%. Silver, first digit 0, second digit 0, multiplier 0.001, tolerance plus or minus 10%. There is no color, means first digit 0, second digit 0, tolerance 0, multiplier 0, tolerance plus or minus 20%. It is the 4 band color coding techniques for specifications of different color codes. Next, wire wound resistor case 2. The color coding for wire wound resistors with axial lead is shown in figure below. Note that the first band is the double the width of the wire wound resistor compared to the rest of the bands. Color coding is same as that of the carbon composition resistors. Okay, only change in the carbon film resistors and the wire wound resistors are here first digit is double the second digit. It is the main difference between the first digit of carbon film resistor as well as the first digit of metal wire wound resistors. Okay, all are different. Okay, now here we are taking an example to predict the resistance value. Find the resistance value in ohms and the percent tolerance for color code sequence red, yellow, orange and gold. Okay, here first digit, second digit, third digit and fourth digit. Solution for this, we are taking red as the first digit, yellow second digit, orange third digit and gold as the fourth digit. Okay, for red it is 2, for yellow 4, orange 10 power 3, gold plus or minus 5. So therefore the resistance value is 2, 4 into 1000 plus or minus 5%. That is 1000 can be taken as kilo. So 24 kilo ohms plus or minus 5%. We can easily remember the color coding values colors of the table by B.B. Roy, very good, Great Britain. B.B. Roy, one time I will see this. Take the first letter of the colors, then make a word for this. First one is BBR, BBR OY, that is nothing but the B.B. Roy, Great Britain, GB, that is Great Britain, very good wife. See, simply we can remember the colors of the table, that is resistors colors. First one B.B. Roy, Great Britain, very good wife. Okay, we can easily remember this table, that is with the help of this simple line, that is B.B. Roy, Great Britain, very good wife. Okay, we must remember the first two letters, that is BB, that is black will come first and brown will next. Okay, black one, brown second. Okay, B.B. Roy, Great Britain, very good wife. By that we can take the values of the colors easily. Next one, 5 band code. Certain precision resistors with tolerance of plus or minus 2%, plus or minus 1% or less are generally color coded with 5 bands. Begin at the band closest to one end. The first band is the first digit of the resistance value, and second band is the second digit, and third band is the third digit, then fourth band is the multiplier. There is number of zeros after the third digit, and fifth band indicates the tolerance. Okay, difference between the 5 band and the 4 band code is only one, that is it has first digit, second digit in 4 band code. In 5 band code it has first digit, second digit and third digit. Main difference between the 4 band and the 5 band color code. Here a table showing the first digit, second digit and third digit of colors as well as multiplier tolerance of 5 band color code technique. Okay, now colors as well as shown in the 4 band color code technique. Here BB Roy, Great Britain, very good wife. Okay, see same as it is they are there. Here first digit, second digit and third digit are equally placed, that is 0 to 9. Here colors are also starts from 0 and end it 9. Okay, so 1 2 3 corresponds to 0 to 9, and multiplier starts from 1 to 10 power 8, 10 power 9, equally in the 4 band color code technique. Okay, simply we learn it by showing the or by viewing the 5 band color code technique. That is first black, that is it has first second digit, first second third digit and multiplier tolerance is 0 0 0 1 0. Brown 1 1 1 10 plus or minus 1%. Next for red 2 2 2 10 power 2 plus or minus 2%. Orange 3 3 3 10 power 3 0. Yellow 4 4 4 10 power 4 0. Next green 5 5 5 10 power 5 plus or minus 0.5%. Next blue 6 6 6 10 power 6 0. Violet 7 7 7 10 power 7 0. Next gray 8 8 8 10 power 8 0. White 9 9 9 10 power 9 0. Gold 0.1. Next silver 0.001 multiplier. These are the 5 band color code technique. Table showing the 5 band color code technique. Example 2. Find the resistance value in ohms and percent tolerance for color code sequence red, violet, black, gold, red. See here colors are of 5. So we want to use the 5 band color code technique. So first band is red, second one is violet, third black, fourth gold, fifth red. So first red is 2, violet 7, third black 0, fourth gold 0.1, next fifth red plus or minus 2% tolerance. So R value is 270 into 0.1 equal to 27 ohms plus or minus 2%. So the resistance value identified by the help of the 5 band color code technique is 27 ohm plus or minus 2%. By this we can find out the resistance value with the help of the 4 band color code technique as well as the 5 band color code technique. For knowing these two, for knowing the resistance value, we must know the two tables. Okay, we must remember the BB Roy, very good, Great Britain, very good wife. Okay, now we learn about the common faults in resistors. Okay, the most common troubles in resistors are, or most common faults in resistors are, first one open resistor, next noise resistor, next changed value of these are the main common values or troubles faults in the resistors. First one open resistor. When the resistor is open, the current in the series path is 0. Okay, first common fault is open resistor. When the resistor is opened, the current in the series path is 0. Noisy control of the resistor is the second common fault. That is when the carbon potentiometers are used as volume or tone controls, the resistance elements become worn out by wiper contact. Due to this, the control produces scratchy noise as the shaft is rotated. Here, noisy control is also a common fault in resistor, as well as when carbon potentiometers are used as volume or tone control, the resistance elements become worn out by wiper contact. Due to this, control produces scratchy noise as the shaft is rotated. Next, changed value of R. A resistor may change its value beyond its tolerance due to heating over a longer period of time. Here, value of resistance also changes due to its tolerance or heating over a long period of time. Next, precision resistors. These are used in measuring circuits, reason above are the three falls in resistors. First one, open resistor, noisy control, change in value of R. Next to this we have is, and before that we have a summary according to the concepts. First one is the features of carbon film resistors, metal oxide, metal film resistors, as well as precision resistor. Next to this, applications of the carbon film, metal oxide, metal film, precision resistors. Next, common faults in resistors, as well as identification of resistance value using 5 band and 4 band color coding techniques. These are the concepts we have learned in this class. Okay, which of the following resistors are bigger in size? Okay, A, carbon film, B, metal film, next C, wire wound, D, A and C. Okay, answer for this is carbon film and wire wound, that is D, A and C. Carbon film and wire wound resistors are bigger in size. Next, how many types of carbon resistors exist? Okay, options are 1, second one 2, third 3, D 0. Okay, we know that carbon type resistors are of two types. Okay, carbon composition resistors as well as carbon film resistors. Okay, answer is B 2. Next, frequently asked questions in previous examinations. That first question is explain the features of following resistors. First one, carbon film, metal oxide and precision resistors. Next, list the applications of carbon film, metal film resistors, metal oxide, precision resistors. Next to this, list the common faults of resistors, as well as corresponding to this we want to identify the resistance value using the 4 band and 5 band color coding technique also. Okay, these are the concepts which we learned in our class today. Okay, let us have a glance or review of the today's class for 5 minutes. Okay, in this class we have learned about the features of different types of resistors. Okay, first resistor we have learned is carbon film resistors. Okay, there are of two types, thin film as well as thick film. Next, advantages are they are very small in size. They offer good high frequency performance and they are very cheap in market. Next, disadvantage, they cannot withstand high temperature because of their small in size. They cannot withstand for mechanical chops because they are of small size. They are sensitive to moisture because they are small in size. They are chemically reactive because they are small in size. Hence, they are unstable. Because of the smaller in size value of the carbon film resistors, they have so many disadvantages. First one, they cannot withstand high temperatures, they cannot withstand for mechanical shocks, they are sensitive to moisture, chemically reactive, they are unstable to this nature. Next, metal film resistors. They are made up of glass or ceramic substrate. Okay, the resistance ranges of metal film resistors are 0.5 ohms to 10 kilo ohms. Tolerance is plus or minus 2% to plus or minus 3%. Power rating 5 watts. Working voltage 300 volts. Okay. They are of two types: thick metal film resistors as well as thin metal film resistors. Next to this, metal oxide resistors. These metal oxide resistors have thickness about 1 micron thick. Most advantage of metal oxide resistor is they are stable for long time use. They are stable for long time use. Okay. Specifications of metal oxide resistors are: resistor ranges from 1 kilo ohm to 10 giga ohm. Tolerance value is ranges from plus or minus 0.5% to plus or minus 5%. Power rating 500 millivolts watts. Working voltage 350 volts. These are the specifications of metal oxide. The main advantage of precision resistors is whenever we want a high accuracy of the resistor, we want to use the precision resistors. Okay, so by this good quality, they are used in high grade multimeters for a accurate value. Because of their low tolerance value, that is plus or minus 0.1%, they are stable in nature. Next, specifications of precision resistors. Resistance ranges from fraction of ohm to 10 mega ohms. Power rating 60 watt may exceed to 300 watts in special cases. Tolerance plus or minus 0.1%. Operating temperature 550 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius to 365 degrees Celsius. Temperature coefficient is 50 to 250 parts per million per degree Celsius. Working voltage is 500 volts. Most important topic is applications of these above resistors: carbon composition, metal film, metal oxide, precision, and carbon film resistors. Okay, carbon composition resistors, they are used in circuits such as low power amplifiers. Next, metal film resistors, they are used for bridge circuits, filter circuits, low noise analog signal circuits, measuring equipment also. Okay, they are used for bridge circuits, filter circuits, low noise analog signal circuits, measuring equipment, etc. Okay, next one, metal oxide resistor. These are used in multimeters, potential divider bias, small signal amplifiers, test and measuring equipments. Okay, again I am repeating: multimeters, potential divider bias circuits, small signal amplifier circuits, testing and measuring equipment circuits also. Next, precision resistors. They are used in measuring circuits, Wheatstone bridge type circuits, and multimeter circuits. Carbon film resistors. Carbon film resistors are used in good high frequency performance and stability circuits such as computers, high fidelity amplifiers, meters, and telephone circuits. And telephone circuits. Next, identification is very simple, that is with the help of B.B. Roy, Great Britain, very good wife, we can easily identify the resistance value of the given uh, bands, 5 band and 4 band techniques. Last but not the least, common faults in resistors, they are open resistors, noisy controls, changed value in resistance also. Okay, thank you for hearing my lecture regarding the applications and features of resistors and faults in resistors, as well as the resistance identification of resistance value using 4 band, color band, 4 band and 5 band technique. Okay, thank you very much. If you have any doubt, please free to call me to my number. Okay, thank you very much.